Hey guys, well I turned a Dell server into a Windows running, game running, dual Xeon burning, rendering beast kick butt server that runs a whole lot quieter. And then it occurred to me, it takes up too much space. So now I'm going to turn it into a desktop server. If you didn't catch the first video, here's the preview and make sure to click the link in the description to watch it. Oh yes, 2 Xeons are better than 1, and with the price of them so cheap these days, even I could afford to tackle this experiment. So I got to work upgrading the CPUs, modifying the power supply for Molochs and SATA connections, purchased 2 new CPU coolers and wired those together. Oh, did I mention the GTX 1050? The R410 motherboard has a PCIe Gen 2 slot, and oh yeah, DDR3 set me back $30 for 8 gigs. I gotta be honest, I don't know anything about servers, so when I bought this Dell minus power supply for $50, I was quite nervous about this even working. So I hope that you find this interesting at least. Oh yeah, cutting up that server case was a whole lot of fun. Because the original equipment, the R410's around 35 pounds, but not anymore. Anyway, yeah, I'm glad I didn't stick with the Dremel. It would have took all day and many expensive grinding wheels. Some of the comments were about power consumption, but honestly, that never even crossed my mind. That's where I'm not even going to use this but once in a while, and it's merely just a challenge just to do the project, you know. Fan noise, yeah, there is a setting in the BIOS to set it to low, but it's still horribly noisy. And, you know, making this server quiet was just merely a necessity for me. So, yeah, let's move forward and see how the project unfolds and try our hand at some gaming, shall we? Oh wow, this is so fantastic and fun. I'm having such a blast with this little server. I mean, there's so many alternatives to doing a build like this. I really, I don't recommend it unless you just feel like doing something anyway. But you can get an HP workstation rather cheap. I just got a motherboard CPU combo, the heat sink, and 6 gigabytes of RAM for $40 on eBay. Yeah, pretty cool. I don't think they're supposed to leave the RAM on it, but anyway. Got a brand new Chinese X58 motherboard for under $100. I'll be doing a build on that as well. So, make sure you hit the like button and share on your way out. But until then, keep those chipsets cool, but keep those builds cooler. Yeah, looking that is. Or is it performing? Oh, hell, I don't know.